You asked, how to divide 7686 by 6 using the long division method. 7 divided by 6 equals 1. 1 times 6 equals 6. 7 minus 6 equals 1. Bring down 6, making 16. 16 divided by 6 equals 2. 2 times 6 equals 12. 16 minus 12 equals 4. Bring down 8, making 48. 48 divided by 6 equals 8. 8 times 6 equals 48. 48 minus 48 equals 0. Bring down 6, making 6. 6 divided by 6 equals 1. 1 times 6 equals 6. 6 minus 6 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 1281.